So Mohit, can you create a function where you have to merge two strings alternatively?
One second, sir. It will take two strings.
Yeah, you have to take two strings and you have to merge it alternatively.
Alternatively means, sir,
Suppose there is
one by one.
Mohit Rathod is there. So
Yes,
M,
sir.
first M will appear, then Rathod's R will appear, then O
Yes,
will
sir.
appear,
Yes, sir.
O of
Yes.
Mohit will appear, then
Yes,
A
sir.
of Rathod will appear, and so on.
So it will be in a sequence.
Yes,
Okay, sir.
alternatively.
Yes. Sir, excuse me, sir.
Yeah, done.
Sorry, if the second string is more than the first string,
So what
so
it will happen is the remaining string will put as it is.
as it is. Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir, I am just confused in the like remaining part.
Okay.
Like firstly, it will do the work, like the first one and the second one, it will do the work. But uh, I'm just thinking that if the second string is bigger, then what will it will do? Like,
So that is the issue you are receiving. Other than that,
it will print like alter.
here you can show me.
Yes, sir. From the last, it is R and E. It is not taking. Yeah.
The remaining it is showing undefined.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Any idea how you can convert that undefined?
It is MOHIT RATHO, and for R it is doing so. So like we have the max string this.
For R, it is showing multiple times undefined.
Yes, sir. R E.
After O, you are receiving multiple times undefined.
Yes, sir.
Can you see that?
After O.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
so
O. R and E. For R and E is showing.
why is it any? Can you solve that? Is it
I'm
possible?
trying. Why it is showing multiple times?
Can you stop the loop after the completion of a sentence? Like after word completion? Can you use that logic?
So will I take only the first string length?
You can take both the string lengths. How will you check whether characters are left or not? Are you having for that
I can
condition?
I can do it for minimum. Like I will run the loop for minimum. So the minimum last length for
You have to check in both, right? Characters whether they are left or not. Then only you
yes,
will
sir.
be able to.
Yeah, I will receive here here I will receive till T O. T O I will receive. After that I have to write the R and E. So R and E, sorry, R and not E, R only. Sorry, sir. So for R I can push after the function completion. Like if I will like for the minimum length, but it will not work. It, I have to for both. For both I have to. if
Will be able to do it.
yes,
Okay.
it will like run till its length because of
Till its
two
length.
variables are, yeah, till its length,
Okay.
like 0 to its length, and it will when it will go inside the loop, like yeah sir, it will give me the output, I think.
Yeah, you can go ahead.
Yes sir.
Okay. Can you just zoom? Yeah. Okay. The max. Okay. Okay. Go up. Okay. Okay. Fine. Can you write a sentence and for that sentence you have to find the longest word?
A sentence,
Yes.
like longest word means.
Firstly, write a sentence.
Yes sir.
Write whatever sentence you can think of. Mohit has arrived. You can write. Mohit has arrived.
All right.
Okay. So
Yes.
which longest word means the number of characters in a particular word, which is
All right.
arrived. So
All right.
you have to, yes, you have to bring that word.
Okay, I have to return arrived.
Yes. Zoom a little. Yeah, that's it. That's it.
हाँ, ये पास में है। हाँ।
Can you tell me the logic first and you can go ahead?
Sir, it will return the E1 if the length of E1 is greater than E2, and it will return, or else it will return E2. So like with the help of reduce method, we can get the highest length word. Like it is the array of Mohit has and arrived. So in three values, which one length is highest in all three? So it will return the element string like.
Oh, okay, you can show me the output.
Alright.
Okay, you can comment this out. A write console log of console
Yes, sir.
log of 2 minus s- string of 2. Yep, what will be the output here?
The output will be, sir, 0.
0. Why?
Because sir, it is string, sir, and like if it is plus operator, so it will return the 2 and 2, because
2
in
and 2,
JavaScript
that
plus
is.
operator it will return 0.
No, no, if it would have been plus, then
Then it will concat, like
concatenated.
it
Okay,
will
okay, got it, got it.
yes.
Okay. Can you create an array, and inside array create four sub arrays: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 2, yes. 3, 4, yeah.
Yes.
Create one more sub array, 7, 8. And you have to merge into a single array. No, don't
uh,
use inbuilt function.
Flat I cannot use.
No, inbuilt function you can't.
Yes, I can create the new array as well.
Yeah, you can create it.
Maybe, sir, it will work.
Okay. Can you tell me what you have done?
Sir, I have created the one array, and it will goes to 0 to length, like it is the length of 0, 1, 2, 3. Like it will run till the last index, which is 3.
Okay.
0 to 3, 0, 1, 2, and for 0 we will run from zero index to the length of the like sub array of length of sub array. So it will
Okay.
goes to 0 to 2.
Okay.
Length
Okay.
is 0 and 1. So 0
Okay.
two times it will run, and like it will pushing the values in the new array. Zeroth index 1.
Okay. Okay, you can show me the output.
Sir.
Okay. Okay, great. Okay. Can you give me an example for infinite currying?
Yes, sir.
Infinite currying, you know the concept?
No, sir.
Okay,
I
okay. Okay, fine. Function currying?
Karing, I hear the name first time, I think, sir. Karing.
Okay, okay, no worries. Okay.
Or maybe I hear the different word for this.
Like you create a function for separate parentheses you create. Okay, no worries, Mohit. No
Yes.
worries. No worries. Can you tell me the difference between set timeout and set interval?
Sir, set timeout, like it is a asynchronous function, and it will give the output after a delay, like what delay we have given to the set timeout function. So it will like give the output after the delay, and set interval will continuously give the output, give the task which we have taken in the function. So it will continuously give us the task after the delay, till we don't stop it.
Till we don't stop it.
Yes, sir.
For
We
set,
can also set interval.
okay. So set interval. So how will you stop this if you want to stop after a particular interval of time? Like
We can create id, and we have a method that close interval clear
close.
interval
Okay.
clear interval. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Can you create an array? Just create array 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yes.
Have two more elements, 1 comma 2, 1 comma 2. I want a resultant as output as 1 comma 2 because they are duplicates.
The output will be 1 comma 2 only.
Yes, because they are
Okay.
duplicates, right?
Because they are duplicates.
Yeah, so I want duplicate elements as an output.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, done. Okay, you can show me the output. Okay, okay,
Yes.
okay. Okay, you can comment this out.
Yes.
Okay, can you tell me what's the difference between client-side JavaScript and server-side JavaScript?
Sir, in client-side JavaScript, we used to develop our website interactive, and we use for adding. We can add the dynamic functionality, and like if we want to use the JavaScript in a client side, so we have to need an environment which is a Node.js. With the help of Node.js, we can run the code in a server side also.
Okay. Can you tell me what is object destructuring?
Object destructuring.
Yeah,
Uh, yes, sir.
if possible, can you
Yes, sir.
provide an example?
Sir, if we have an object, yeah, destructuring. Yeah. Sir, here it is. Like A, B, and C are the properties of object, and we are destructuring it by accessing in a variable.
Okay. So you are doing as an array destructuring or object destructuring?
Uh, this. So destructuring we can also use for concatenation.
Okay. But here what you are doing? You are doing array
I am
destructuring.
I am accessing the value of A, B, and C in the like a global variable A, B, C.
Okay.
It is array destructuring, I think. For object we do so. Yes, sir. We can access the value of A, B, and C outside.
Outside.
Yes, outside the object in a separate variable.
Okay. Okay. Can you tell me JavaScript? It is a dynamically typed or a statically typed language?
Sir, JavaScript, it is a statically type
Why is it so?
because the code execute line by line, sir,
Code execute line by line.
in a synchronous manner.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me the type of pop-up boxes available in JavaScript?
Type of pop-up box,
Boxes available in JavaScript.
like alert,
Alert is there, yes.
yeah, and prompt also for taking the value.
Prompt, okay, yes.
Alert and from I.
Okay, okay. Fine, fine, fine. Do you know confirmation box is also there? Confirm box is there.
No, sir.
Okay,
No,
okay, no worries. Can you tell me the difference between a session storage and a local storage?
don't.
Okay, you don't know, right?
Yes,
Okay,
adjust it.
no worries, no worries.
Yes.
There is a pop method and there is a shift method. So can
Yes,
you
sir.
tell me the difference?
Sir, pop method we used to delete the last element of the array, and for shift we use for delete the first element of array.
And what unshift method do?
Unshift method will add the element from the first. Yes, sir.
Okay, it will add the
Yeah, it will add the first element from the starting in the array.
okay.
From the
It will add the elements at the starting index.
yeah at
You
the
meant to
starting.
say.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So can you tell me the difference between slice method and splice method?
Splice method modify the current array, and it will be used for deleting deleting the value from the array, and
Splice method is used for deleting.
yes sir, for deleting
That's
the
it.
values. Yes sir, and we can also delete from which index to from we can
Okay,
also
we
add
can delete, we can remove the elements, but we can't
yeah,
do anything else.
like if I have a array of 1 2 3 4 5, so by using the splice method, if I write like
Is
0 to
yeah.
1, so it will remove the from 0 index, it will remove the two elements 1 and 2, it will remove,
Yeah,
and my array will
okay,
be yeah.
splice method it will remove it.
Yes sir.
But I am saying splice method is only used for removing the elements,
No, for adding also, we can also
for
add the
adding.
element.
Adding,
Yes sir.
that's it?
Yes
Adding
sir,
and removing.
adding and removing, where it is like if we have removed the elements from here, so the new element will be add from the here.
We can't,
And for
uh, can we replace the elements?
yeah, we can also replace the elements sir, if I want to replace, suppose 2 I want to replace, so
Okay.
I will write the index of 2, and like if I am replacing, so I have to delete the element, and I am adding 9 suppose, so it will 1 9 3 4 5, and I am also, if I only wants to add, so I can add also, like I
Okay.
am not removing
And
anything.
slice method, what it is used?
Slice we use to make a new array,
It
if I am
doesn't
using the
modifies the original array.
no sir, it
Okay.
doesn't modify, it
Okay.
will give me a new array.
Okay. Okay. Fine.
If I write 1, so it will give me the new array from 2 index 2 to 5.
Okay. Okay. Fine. Fine.
Yes.
Fine. What is the purpose of timers in JavaScript?
Purpose of timers,
Yes.
sir, like
Firstly, tell me what are timers. Examples. Can you give me an
like
example?
set timeout,
Okay.
and yeah,
Set timeout
and
and
set interval, like
okay.
we are adding the delay,
Okay.
so it is the timer.
Okay. Okay. There are types of errors in JavaScript.
Yes sir.
Can you tell me those types?
Yes sir, the first one is the undefined, if we have declared the no sir, it is not error. Types of error,
For example, there is a runtime error.
yeah sir, runtime error also.
I have given you example. Can you give me other examples?
Like if I am printing the value which is not declared, so it will give me the error that value is not declared, not defined, like this.
Value is not defined.
Yes sir.
I just want the exact so suppose if you write a particular syntax wrong,
Yes sir.
so what is that type
Syn-
of error?
Syntax error.
Okay,
Syntax.
syntax error,
Yes.
runtime error done, syntax error done. Any other
Yes.
errors you are aware of?
No sir.
Okay, no worries. Okay. In JavaScript, how do
Yes.
you turn an object into an array?
uh, we can use the object dot keys, so object dot keys method, so we can apply the map function
Okay,
on the object.
object dot
So
keys we can use. Okay,
yes sir, so we can convert the object keys into array.
can you tell me some JavaScript frameworks?
Sir, JavaScript frameworks are the React is the front end.
Framework.
Yes sir,
Okay,
it is library
yeah.
maybe. Yeah,
So
and
yeah, yeah. Go ahead.
JavaScript frameworks are Express also
So
library.
React it is a framework, right?
Yes.
You are sure on this?
Yes,
Oh,
sir.
okay, okay. Go ahead.
Yeah. Yeah.
React. That's it.
Yes. And Vue.js
Okay.
also.
Any other?
Angular
Angular. Okay.
and
Okay.
Next.js. Yes.
Can you tell me the difference between synchronous programming and asynchronous programming?
Sir, synchronous programming means when the code is executed line by line, and the first line of code waits for the second line of code waits for the first line to be executed. After that, the second line will execute. Like the programming will be in the synchronous manner, and asynchronous means like it does not wait for the particular task, when like if we are reading the set timeout and set interval,
Okay.
so these are the asynchronous functions.
Okay.
So it takes wait. So when their times has been complete, so it will in between our code, it will not in between, like after completing their timeout it will run.
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Promises and async await. Which is
Yes, sir.
better?
Sir, async await is better, like
Okay.
according
Why?
to me, because in promises, like we have to use the then and catch method,
Okay.
and then and catch method for, like if our if our task has resolved, so we have to write in the then method, and if it is reject, then we have to write in uh, catch method. But in async await is also tricky, because we have to create the three like uh, two function we have to create. Promise we also use in the async await, but asynchronous help us to wait the program.
Okay.
Yes.
That's the advantage over promises.
Yeah, that's the advantage.
Okay. What are the different events in JavaScript?
Sir, events are of many types in JavaScript, like on-click events,
Okay.
on-blur events, and
Okay.
on key up events, on key down events.
Okay.
So there is a lots of events in JavaScript, and there is a on-load event. So lots of events in JavaScript.
Okay.
Yes.
So there are certain categories of events. For example, for mouse events are there.
Yes,
So
sir. Yeah.
inside mouse there will be click, there will
Yes,
be
sir.
mouse over is there as one.
Yeah.
So
Yes,
this
sir.
comes under mouse events. So is there any, there are many categories. So can you name some categories of
So
events?
there is keyboard events,
Okay, yes.
and there is a mouse events,
Yeah.
and and
Any other if
there is
you
also on load event, which is execute
okay.
when the page is load. It is,
So
and they take.
loading, that's a window events comes under
Yeah,
that.
when.
Okay.
Yeah, yes, okay.
Yeah, Mohit. That's it for the interview. Okay.
Yes, thank you so much, sir, for
Uh,
your time.